Hello mga kalakbaygulay. So today we will have a quick tour ng our mini garden. So quick tour lang ito. Then to follow yung every individual plants namin sa garden.
So hi! Ako na yung magtutuloy ng garden tour. So we have some ferns here. Chinese evergreen. Then we have holy basil or tulsi. Then the Swiss cheese plant or Monstera adansonii. So ayan. Welcome plant. And then meron kaming mga iba-ibang hoyas. Like that. Ayan. So later or soon, share namin yung mga iba-ibang hoya collection namin. Okay. Wandering Jew. And then we have calatheas, some hoyas, and then orchids, all the basil, and then our mycans, yan, that we got from Meg, plants ni Meg. May hoya. Then we have hoya again. Actually, marami kaming hoyas. So, we will do a tour again. Individual tour of our hoyas. Tapos iba-iba namin plants. But now, quick tour lang. So, this is my cans. Ayan. Okay. Then we have syngoniums, marianas, ito, aglonimas. Ayan. And then we have a native tree here, which is called supa. Ayan. So, these are calatheas, aglonema pala. And then oregano, and then mayanas, yeah. Then native trees also. Ito mga, I think this is artis or yan. Calatheas, yan. And then we have dumon, a native tree. Kamagong, ayan. Herbs. This is batino, ayan. This is kupang bitaog, ayan. So, ito, manaw magkairo, Tisquidia, Oyawanta ata to or something. Ito ko lang. And these are our mycans, ayan. So, galing niyang yan from a cutting that we got from Meg. Just super nice. So, lumago na siya. And then, of course, we have fish to canta plant. Ayan. Butterfly pea. Saan na yung flower niya? Yun. Medyo nagda-dry na siya. So, ayun. Kanyang flower. Ayun. Ito siya. Ayun ang kanyang flower. Butterfly pea or Vishnu Kanta. Okay. So, that's from the other side. Punta naman tayo sa kabila. We have rosemary. Fish cheese, and then ito, alocasia shield, or mga aglos, iba-iba, peperonia, calathea, homeos, something, calathea, ayan. Then ito matagal na to, ilang year old na to, itong alocasia namin. Then, another holy basil or tulsi plant. Then, ito yung mga pinropagate ni Mike na maliliit. Maliit pala, black velvet. And then, ito yung orchids. Look, ganda. May video kami nito. Ito. Okay. So, yan. And then, another plants. And then, on top, some of my Hoya collections. Now we will also tour sa susunod na video. Ito yung kotopula. Ito mga trees. This is ironwood or mga sumangkono. So yan, we have two. Okay. Tapos ito naman, yan. Actually kumalat na yung ano namin, mycans. Lumago na siya. Then some of the orchids as well. Ayan. Then, ito yung mga pinapatubo ni Mike the herbs. And then, ayan, dito na tayo sa kabilang side. So, ito, herbs yata ito. Ay, parang cosmos. And ito are trees. Native trees called bunny. Mga wildlings. Okay, ayan. Some of our plants, mga orchids, nasa sa slab. Okay. Ito meron kaming ano ba ito? Birds of paradise, I think. Our monstera na almost 2 years old din ata yan. Nandyan lang yan. And then, some of our mother Hoyas. Ito, Hoya Boti. And then our wandering Jew. Ayan. Ito na yung mga ibang ornamental plants namin sa garden. So, ayan. Tapos, ito pa yung iba. Ayan. So, there. Ayan. So, yan. Some of our plants. Dito, hanging plants. Olives. There you go. Uy. And we have some tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes. Ayan. Then, magulong aso. And then, some of our seedlings. Ayan. And then, this is called panapa. So, yun lang muna for now. We'll see you again on our next video. Bye! Thank you! Hi, Tita!